Hey everyone, Fred out in the shop at Fix It with Fred talking about brakes, and today we're going to talk about brake rotors. So why is it when you get brake pads, it seems like you always need new rotors? Well, we're evaluating if those rotors aren't just good today, but are they going to make it the next 30 to 50,000 miles until your new brake pads wear out? So a lot of times you have to replace your rotors because they're not going to last another 3 to 5 years. But there's also the situation where your rotors aren't going to make it any more time. So here is a good example of a brake rotor with severe pitting. And you can see that inside and outside edge, all this rust through here is really tearing up the pad. And I can show you the brake pad right through here where we have this lip built up here. Now on this same brake rotor, if we look at the other side of it, you can see a small amount of rust here on the lip and another lip here on the inner edge. So all that being said, when you replace brake pads, you really got to check and make sure those rotors are going to make it. Thanks a lot for joining us. Talk to you again soon.